Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing Aliexpress haul video, and it's my first time really ordering. So I've ordered from Aliexpress before, but I ordered like beads to make jewelry and stuff like that. So, and it was a long time ago, it's a couple of years ago. So right before my birthday in February, I decided to just order myself a couple of things off Aliexpress. I got a mix of things I wanted to, that I really liked, that I was like, this looks nice, hopefully this is good, and things I was really curious about, if they're gonna be like the photo. So I sat down and I ordered a couple of things off my wish list, and it took everything about 2 months to arrive. Some took a bit more, and I actually have still one package left that I haven't received yet, but I've just, it's supposed to be here in 2 days, so I have a feeling it's not gonna be here in 2 days, but if it is, I'll just gonna throw it in here somehow. So I think I'm just gonna jump into it. I've got a mix of jewelry and just a couple of things that are kind of more like accessory related, if that makes sense. The first thing, it's already open because I had to disinfect it, but is this Dior bracelet. This bracelet, I saw it online. It was about $10, and I did not expect it to be like an actual, I thought it was a scam or something, honestly. I just had a strong feeling that when it arrived, it would leave me shocked and confused, but it left me, well, it did leave me shocked and confused, but in a positive way. I think it's a really cute bracelet, and like, to be honest, I feel like almost like, let's say if Forever 21 came out with a bracelet like this, it wouldn't even be 10 bucks, you know? Like, it's very heavily inspired by Dior. I don't know, I was really happy with it when I got this, and this is pretty much the only thing I really like checked out. I think it was the first thing that arrived actually, so I think I'm gonna be using it a lot, and it's like so lightweight, you just don't feel like you're wearing it, you know? I'm very happy about this order. Oh. Now these earrings really surprised me too. They look exactly how they are in the photo, and I honestly thought the photo was kind of you know, edit it a little bit, it just looks so cute and it's real. I don't know, I think they're beautiful. I think these are around $2 as well. If I saw this in the store, I would have paid more for them. I think they're really beautiful. I don't know, I think they just did such a good job with them. I can see myself wearing them often as well. Like, I'm really happy with these two pieces so far. And these are hair clips. I thought they were extremely cute. They kind of look like candy. If we can kind of tell, it's like, it looks like it's sugar dipped candy. There's two different sizes or two different styles of hair clips in here. We've got like a thicker one here that is my personal favorite, and just a thin one here. I mean, I don't know how much I'm gonna use them. You know, I thought they were adorable. They had different colors of them as well. I think this was the only one they had left. So, but I don't know, I think they're super cute. Oh, this is cool. Okay, so these earrings, I was kind of conflicted about getting them. Oh, okay, so they... I just always kind of like opened. So they come with those little thingies you put them back behind your ear. I'm just gonna put that somewhere so I don't lose it. Alright. And then these are Dior inspired earrings as well. Got these here. I kind of want to show how they look like on. I think it doesn't really give them much justice. Again, these are disinfected, so yeah. Oh shit, did I put it on the wrong ear? Or are they both facing the same direction? I don't know. I think they're just really cute. I love silver jewelry, and I think these are just like the perfect, just kind of dressed up, but not like over the top. I don't know. I liked them, and I was happy when I when I saw them when they arrived. I was really happy. Ugh. Wow, it's not easy to pull them off. That was weird. I could not get them off. I think it's those things in the back. They're just really... So these were $2. I gotta say, I'm pretty happy with them. I think they're beautiful. They would get my attention if I saw them in like an actual physical store, and that's kind of how I try to think when I'm buying jewelry. I'm trying to imagine, like, if I saw this physically in a store, would I still be buying it? And I think with these, yeah, they're cute. They're kind of casual, but at the same time they're like formal casual. Does that make sense? No, it does not. And another one. Oh. So yeah. These are not the color I ordered. I ordered these in pink-ish. It's like a peachy pink. And then I got these, and they just don't work on me. They just don't. So I decided not to return them, simply because of the coronavirus. Honestly, I didn't want to cause any more trouble to people who are selling $2 earrings. You know what I mean? Like, people have so much to think about and worry about right now. And the fact that I sent the wrong color earrings to a customer, I don't want to stress them. I don't want to open a case and that's gonna affect your business. Like, so I am going to give them away, probably to my mom if she doesn't want them. Just to anyone who wants them, they'll have them. So yeah, I was bummed out about them, but it happens, and I'd rather have those earrings be the wrong ones than the other ones, basically. So it's all good. Oh yeah, I forgot about this. So we've got a couple of items in here, and I was actually supposed to get a pair of earrings in with this bundle. I was actually pretty excited about these earrings, but they never showed up. So I had to open a case on that, just because I'm gonna open a case if I don't receive the order. Like, if I don't get the item, I'll open a case. But if you send me the wrong color, depends. I don't know. I would just, you know, dealing with Corona is hard. So just, yeah. So first thing is this hairpin, earrings, and another pair of earrings. So this hair clip hair, I thought it was really cute, and I was very curious to see if this was gonna be super crappy, to be honest. I don't know why, because the photo wasn't the best, but it's actually awesome. Like, the quality, I'd say, exceeded my expectations. I think it's really cute, and yeah, I guess I'm starting some kind of a hairpin collection now. These earrings, I think are really cute. They're very sparkly, very, what do you call it? I'd say kind of glamorous looking. I think they're really cute. I like them. I think these are something you can wear going somewhere, like let's say you go on a date or something. I don't know, I think they're really cute. Yeah, these were also better than I expected. I was curious and nervous about them. I guess that's how I feel like when I order something I'm kind of excited about, and then hoping it's the thing I ordered. But I have to say, I'm very happy about the earrings I've gotten so far, except of these. Did I just break them? Nope, we're good. Okay. The last pair of this little bundle. I really wanted them in silver, but I didn't have them only in gold. But I thought they were like so beautiful looking and so classy. Does that make sense? That I was like, okay, black and gold. I kind of like that combination. I wouldn't mind having earrings in black and gold. The only thing I'm noticing right here is it's missing. It's not missing rhinestones. It actually has two different. It has the wrong color rhinestone. That's kind of funny. I mean, my God, it's not the end of the day. It's kind of weird. I think these are really cute too. I think you could dress up an outfit with these, and it still looks classy. And I don't know. Tell me these are not cute. I don't know. I gotta say, I love jewelry, and like this little that's my guinea pigs. But this little collection I'm kind of having here from Aliexpress is looking nice. I mean, in the sense of it's really beautiful items, and I got a pretty good price, so I'm happy. So far so good. Okay, this is pretty cool. I have disinfected it, but I haven't washed it. And I haven't tried it on yet. But I've disinfected it, so I'm gonna just throw it on real quick. So here we go. I will just try it out real quick. Oh my god, I love it. It's just too cute. Like, I know it's stupid, but it's cute and funny at the same time. I like it. Like, I don't know, I love bananas, I love green. And another more of a different item here that I got is this earring organizer. Has all the holes where you can put the earrings in. And I've never had this thing before, and I was really curious. I love jewelry, and I got so much, so I kind of want to try to organize it at one point. Anyway, only thing I would say about this is that I don't like about it is they could have made bigger space here between the earrings, just because some of them are gonna like bump into each other, you know. It's almost like it's more for studs, but then that would almost also be a bit, I don't know. This size isn't ideal, and also it's kind of flimsy. It's very thin. It's like you can easily break it if you just pull it. You can break it. So, but I think this was like, this was $1. Okay. Okay. Well, for $1, it's pretty okay, I guess. Okay. From all the things I've unboxed so far, these were the most, like, when I saw them and I was disinfecting them, I was over the moon. I have seen them online before, and I love them. I love the style. I love how they look. I think it's so cool. And then I saw them on Aliexpress, and I just bought them immediately, and here they are. So these earrings are inspired by Chanel, and I think a lot of you guys saw these earrings last year on the runway, and they just blew up online on Instagram, and I just love them so much. I don't know, I think it's like dangling hanging earrings. Just I get obsessed. I love it. I love it. My favorite type of earrings. So I saw these and I knew, like, there's not a chance in the world I will ever own the actual Chanel earrings. when I saw these, I was like, okay, they're either gonna be horrible, falling apart, unwearable, or they're going to be amazing. And they're amazing. I'm so happy. They have them in gold as well. I love silver so much, so I just got them in silver. However, I'm always considering getting them in gold as well. I love them so much. These are super lightweight. These are, I don't know, so nicely made. And I'm really happy with these, and I can't wait to wear them in every occasion I get the chance to. I can't wait to wear them. I just can't. Second item, or next item, is maybe a little bit controversial. I don't know. I think so. I don't know though. So, oh, I should probably say the price of this shirt real quick. I think, actually forgot how much this costs, but it's actually $5.50. That's pretty good. I would pay $5 for this shirt for sure. When I found this item, I was so sure this was going to be one of those that you kind of regret ordering. So I didn't have high expectations at all. It took a really long time to come here. It took over 2 months for sure. So it's this Louis Vuitton inspired handbag. Now, when I ordered this, I was expecting this to be broken. Like, I don't know why. I just had such low expectation of this. I have ordered cheap headbands from Shop Miss A. They arrive broken, or they arrive children's size, and you know, so I guess I just didn't have really high expectations. But the quality on this shocked me. Like, the fabric is super nice. I have scarves in this fabric, and they're really nice, so I'm very excited about this. So now I can't decide if it's nice or if it's not. I can't decide. For me, I can't tell if it looks like it kind of passes to be the real thing, like if you can tell, or if it's like obnoxiously just, whoa, what are you wearing? But as a headband, it feels really comfortable. It's not tight, it's not, I don't know, I think they just did the shape really good, because it's not like round, if that makes sense. I do like this little thing they have on the top, the little knot. The only thing I would say that I don't like about it, which I know it's gonna be stupid, it's just that they have like the logo in here. I mean, you can't really see it when you're wearing it, and I feel like there's like nothing on the knot, but other than that, I like it. I don't know how, I mean, I like it. I honestly don't know how much knots I'm gonna wear it, because I'm not really a headband person, but I wanted to try it out, and I don't know, I was just really curious, and like I'll definitely try to wear it whenever I can and stuff like that. Probably gonna use it for more like when I'm wearing face masks or something. So these earrings, I knew, as you can see, there's like rhinestones on the very front of the earrings, but it doesn't travel like further, so you only have the rhinestones in the front. I thought, like, I was aware of that. I just expected it honestly to kind of look nicer. I don't know why. They're not as amazing as I expected, and I'm kind of disappointed because I love hoops. I love silver hoops. I don't know. I mean, they're really lightweight and cute, so I'm probably gonna wear them, but I just don't love them as much as I thought I was going to love them. I also noticed when I washed them with the waves that there's some rust on. It's probably really hard to see, but it's like that earpiece, the thing you put in your ear, it has a little bit of rust on it, as well as, there we go. Right here, you see where my thumb is? It was way bigger, and I kind of rubbed it off or scraped it off, and it went away. So I don't know if they're gonna get worse when it comes to rusting. I hope not, because like I believe these were like $2 as well. I mean, I was just excited. They had like a lot of good reviews and people seem to love them, so I hope they don't get worse. I just hope they just stay like this and I can still wear them. I wanted a wig, and I want a cheap wig, and I want a cute wig, so it took me a while to decide what I wanted. I honestly was thinking of something blonde, you know, something different from what I am or what I have, and so on, you know, something different, but I don't know. I got kind of scared, and I got something similar to me-ish. Well, the thing is, I've had green hair before, so it's not totally alien to me. But the thing is, this looks cute, right? Doesn't look cute on. Does not look cute on. Yeah. So this wig was, so this wig is $10. I think it's an alright price for it, but I don't know. There's probably better wigs out there, honestly, and I might order them. So yeah, that's all the things I got. The only earrings that really arrived were let me show you. Yeah, I ordered these earrings and they're now not available and they never arrived. So I don't know what's that all about. This has been my first time ordering jewelry and accessories off Aliexpress, and I am very happy with the things I got. You know, my favorite, of course, these guys. So cute. I don't know. I think I have really great jewelry, and I'm so happy that I'm kind of building my little collection now. I think the quality of the jewelry that I received is better than what I expected. I was not putting my expectation up high. I was just trying to not bum myself out, but I pretty much love everything I got. I will probably be buying more things in the future off Aliexpress because I am really happy, and there's certain things I could see myself gifting to my mom. You know, for example, the Chanel earrings. I think she would enjoy them too. Bummed out that the one pair of the two earrings didn't arrive, and that I got the wrong leopard earrings. Thinking about it, I should just give them the Carol Baskins, huh? Here's the thing. If you liked any of the things that I got and you find them on Aliexpress, I would say go for it. None of the things I have here feel like it's gonna fall apart any minute soon, except of the hair thing. This guy. It's not that it's gonna fall apart, it's just not gonna last your whole life. I mean, how long does glue last, right? This is glued on, so. But, it is $2. So, I say if you have $2 to spare and you want this, go for it.